want to create a brief to explain to Claude Design a little bit about our business. So in the chat, I'll ask Claude, put together a summary of everything we've discussed about amber light candles so that I may hand that information to Claude Design for a website design project. So Claude will go through all its memories, all the chats, and put together a document that I can hand off. After a minute, it comes back with this markdown file document, which we can preview on the right side. And it's looking pretty good. So I'll go ahead and click copy. And now let's open Claude Design. You can open it in the bottom left of the desktop app. Now we'll give Claude Design a prompt. We'll say, design a warm, cozy website for amber light candles. Homepage, shop page, and an about page with our story. I've pasted in a summary of all relevant business details. And now that I've typed in that prompt, I'll simply paste in those details that we copied from our Claude chat earlier. I find that Claude Design tends to do its best work when you give it a powerful model, so I'll go ahead and switch this to the most powerful model available to me now, which happens to be Opus 5. I'll also change the effort level to be high, because I want a really good looking website here. Next, whatever you're designing in Claude Design, you can click the template dropdown to see if there's a relevant project type. For example, here we have UI mockups, user interface mockups, which would be perfect for a website. So I'll go ahead and click that. All right, let's go ahead and send the prompt. The canvas will appear here, and there's a good chance if you don't have a really detailed prompt, Claude Design will come back and ask you some questions, just like in the regular chat. So let's go ahead and answer these. Regarding unconfirmed SKUs, let's use the 8 example names because this is a design mockup. Show prices, let's go ahead and use this recommended option. The scent quiz, I'm not really sure how I want it to go, so we'll say decide for me. What does the shop page need to do? We got a few options here. A grid of all the candles, a single product detail view, bundles and sets. Let's do a grid of all the candles. Anything real for the about page? We've already given it plenty of information, so I'll just say info already provided. And you can see it goes on like this. So I'll just go ahead and answer all of these different questions and skip forward to when I'm done. All right, I filled everything out. We'll click continue. Now, if you're wondering why we'd use Claude Design instead of a chat to design a website like we did earlier, it's because the chat's good at making simple designs. But if you want a full website built out, or really any other kind of graphic design, Claude Design is purpose-built for that task. And so it generally makes much better designs and provides you a proper interface to be able to review and then give feedback and change the designs. It even allows you to tweak some things yourself. This is going to take quite a while to finish. This can take minutes. So I'll go ahead and let it finish and then fast forward to when it's done. Okay, and now it's done. And here you can see a beautiful website. There's a hero section that has really well done typography and colors and a placeholder image at the right. As we scroll through, we can see here our scent quiz. If we click on it, it actually takes us through it, which is awesome, and even gives us the recommended candle. If we scroll down, we got the full line of candles, some placeholders for a lifestyle shot, and a spot to sign up for the mailing list. This is great. Also, it might open a little tweaks dialog right away when you first load the site. And here it gives you options to change some things yourself. So like, for example, here I have the offer bar at top, which I can turn off and on to see how that looks. The quiz placement, we can either have it featured or hidden. And then same thing with the prices. We can turn the prices off for the candles if we don't want to display them. This is looking pretty good so far. And just like you can chat with Claude in the regular chat to make modifications to something, you can do the same thing here in Claude Design. So since it put a bunch of placeholders in here for images, let's give it some actual images to use to build out our design. In the bottom left, I'll click the plus button, attach file, and then in my photos folder here, I'll grab all these photos which are labeled, open, and say, swap out the placeholders with these real images. And after a few minutes, the photos have been added in where the placeholders were. This is looking really good so far. Now, one thing that's really cool to check out too is what the functionality is actually like. You can click through the website using its buttons. So let's add this autumn cabin candle to the cart. We'll click the add to cart button. And we even have this full shopping cart here where we can change the quantity and see how that design would look. Now, while you can click around and interact with the website, this doesn't actually have full store capabilities yet. This is just the design.